Alright, hello, my name is Brian Briggs. Today I will be doing a presentation on how to perfectly balance both school and work. I would like to start off by talking a little bit about myself. I'm currently a student here at Aiken Tech going for the Industrial Maintenance program. I am doing the Tech Scholars program that is offered here to the students, and I am working out at Bridgestone. I have been there for about a month and a half now. And in that time, I have figured out a lot on how to start balancing both school and this whole new job that I have. One of the first tips I have is you need to have a set plan to follow. One of the easiest ways to do this is by using either a planner or a calendar. This will help you a lot. With the planner, you can set out exactly what you want to do each day. That way you can stay on top of it and you can have a direct order to follow. So Mondays, this class. Tuesdays, this class. You can also set up what times you'll be working and follow that to a T. So you know you'll be done with work at this time. And so right after that, you can go straight into doing this for this class. With the calendar, you can come over here and you can set specific due dates for yourself. And this will help you stay on top of things so you know you need to get it done and when you need to get it done. The next tip would be being well rested. This is going to help a ton. Sleep is extremely important, and it's extremely important to make sure you get enough sleep. This is done by making sure you're not going to bed super late when you have to wake up early, or just getting off on a bad sleep schedule. If you set yourself to a good sleep schedule, even on the weekends when it's your day off, your body will become adjusted to this. So I recommend going to bed early and then waking up at a normal time around like 6 or 7. That seems to work pretty well for me. One of the easiest ways to help you fall asleep is by making sure you're turning off lights, TVs, stuff like that. Anything that's going to cause a distraction to you as you try to go to sleep. This will help a ton. The biggest tip I have is to make sure you don't overstress yourself. Overstressing yourself will lead you becoming burned out. If you're burned out, you're not going to want to do anything at all. You're not going to have any motivation. You're going to feel just down and depressed 24/7. And this is just not going to be good for anyone. If you're starting to feel that way, it's probably best to talk to a counselor or something like that. Tell them that you're not really sure how you need to balance this stuff, and they should be able to offer you helps and tips for that. The counselors here at Aiken Tech are very good help, and if at any point you need to go to them, I highly suggest it. Another person you could talk to is your boss. If you feel that you're kind of getting behind in school and you can't really focus on it all, tell your boss you need to start working less hours. And they should be very understanding of that, considering you getting that degree is going to help them out a ton and help the company out a ton. So in conclusion, having schedules to stay on top of your stuff and making sure you have a good sleep schedule that you constantly follow and not just all over the place, it's going to help you a ton. And both of those should help you not get too stressed out. But if you do get stressed out, make sure you get help from someone and don't just try to keep going with it, because that's just going to burn you out.